San City National High School recognized the winners of Division's Festival of Talents or DFOT and Division Schools Press Conference or DSPC during the flag raising ceremony at the grandstand today, February 23, 2026. All these and more are City Highlights. The school commends its outstanding DFOT and DSPC winners who showcased skill, determination, and creativity, standing out across the division. This success reflects not only their triumph but also the effort and support of teachers, coaches, and peers.
Ang unang sinacrifice is yung time ko na pinaghati-hati ko sa lahat. Tapos yung pag-aaral ko rin, sinet aside ko muna para mag-focus dun sa competitions. Kaya, ayun, siguro nagbunga lahat ng subdivision yun. Kaya, ayun, nakaapak ako sa RSPC tas RFOT.
Weeks of preparation led to this proud moment. Their achievements highlight perseverance, focus, and healthy competition. School officials emphasize participation and resilience, noting that these students inspire peers to aim for excellence.
If magkakaroon ako ng chance na mapalitan kung paano mag-prepare yung mga estudyante, ayun is totally cut off ng mga responsibilities academically para hindi sila madidistract during training. Tsaka mas mahabang training session para mas lalong maging prepared yung mga estudyante.
The ceremony celebrated commitment, teamwork, and leadership, encouraging others to explore their potential. Winners received certificate and applause, marking a day of pride for SJC and HS community. The DFOT and DSPC winners proved that dedication, talent, and teamwork make a difference. Their achievements inspired the whole school to aim higher and embrace challenges. At City High, excellence is not just celebrated, it's lived every day. Reporting from San City National High School, this is Atea Caballero for City Highlights.